Hello and welcome friends. In this session I am going to demonstrate about the VLOOKUP function, which is a very important and useful function in Excel. In our previous videos we have used the VLOOKUP function by just picking the insert function from the formulas tab. Either you can just pick it and from the uh, this select category lookup and reference, you can just select it and go to the VLOOKUP function. You can use by this method. Another way, just you can pick the VLOOKUP pop-up from here, just use this to VLOOKUP function. And another way, just you can write here directly the code for the VLOOKUP function by using the equal to VLOOKUP, etc. All these I have already discussed in our previous video. In this video I am going to discuss about the VLOOKUP function using the VBA code. It is required when we are going to automate the report on huge data. These play very important role to use the VBA code for using the formulas and functions of Excel. Okay, so to do this, just go to the code window. Keyboard shortcut for using the code window is the Alt F11. This is a short key, and write here subroutine for the VLOOKUP function. Sub VLOOKUP test1. Either it is a keyword for Excel. So here select a range where you want to display the data in that particular range of cell. In our case, this is the range for displaying the formula result. So in this column we select the range here F1 colon F5. This is hard coded range. You can put it dynamically by counting the row. In this case I am just putting this in a hard code from F1 to F5, and for go ahead just write here application dot worksheet functions dot. After putting dot, here is a lot of functions display here. In our case, just we take here VLOOKUP, press tab, then open parenthesis, and just see here is also 4 argument as our previous cases. This is first argument is for lookup value, and second is for the table array, third one is for a column index, and fourth one is for the match type. For the lookup value, set a range even colon E5. In our case, this is a range of for the lookup value, close parenthesis, comma. For a table array, select the range here. For a table array, this is our table from A1 to A9, C9. A1 to C9 is our table array range. So put here A1 colon C9. Okay, close parenthesis, and column index number is 2 in our case, and 0 for exact match. So this is a simple VBA code to use the VLOOKUP function. Just run this code to see the result. Okay, press F5. Either you can click here to run the code. Just press F5 and see the result is here. Okay, you can delete this to see the further. Just delete this and run this code again. F5. It's working fine. Okay, this is the simplest way to use the formulas and functions of Excel in a VBA code. Okay, here is the range where you want to display the data. In our case, F column is displaying the data range, from F1 to F5, and then application, work function, worksheet function, dot VLOOKUP. This is a way to use the formulas and function in a VBA code. And here is a range for the lookup value and range for the table array and column index number and then match type. So hope it is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you next. Thank you.